the 2016 Olympic champion, Denis Gargaud Chanut. He was telling me the other day he's got set himself up a new business, which is going nice. He loves paddling now. I said to him, how much longer are you going to keep going? He said, well, I'm loving it. Why would I stop? And his new business allows him to still train, so he just gets out and does a training session every day. Missed the Tokyo Olympics, of course. It was somewhat controversial and ended up being before the courts, but in the end he did not get the gig. And look at this. This has been a fast start from the 2016 Olympic champion. Can he remind us all today of what he is capable of? Denis Gargaud Chanut. He's been swapping his boats around, trying to get a boat that he feels works best for him. Nice though, nice spin there. So he's still on track here. Yes, he is indeed. He's more than on track. He is under the split time at the moment. So could the big Frenchman get himself into the final? Just to give everyone a little bit of a reminder that he's still around and still capable of taking on the best. All these young bucks who are out there snapping at his heels. Just gives that a little bit of a... If he had breathed out as he's going through that gate, he might have moved it. But this is good. 78 seconds. I think we're going to have... Could we have a new race leader? I think we will. Denis Gargaud Chanut. He's going to be our new race leader. Look at this time, just inside. Yes, he is back.